Let me tell you about power. Let me tell you about ruling. Let me tell you about power. Let me tell you about ruling. When you hear the sound in my country, the sound of a goblin, you have to stand stationary on the pavement when the is coming. This is the sound of power in my country. Here in your country you see the power. In my country you hear the power. It says when you hear this sound, like the double effect, you have to stand motionless and look down. When the sound and the other ones are soldiers looking at you, pointing a gun at you. That's when you know power is around you. It passes with a motorcade. You smell rotten bodies around you. Then you know the sound of power is around you. The sound of power in my country. When it comes on you, you have to stand still and stationary, looking around the pavement. When you are driving, you have to pull out. When the sound of a goblin comes on you, it says and if you resist and not stand still, this water where the cars are going, you get to see men in black, all in dark shades, all in dark sunglasses. They be looking serious at you when they come through over you. They push you without an excuse. Then you know there's power around you. The sound of power in my country is gold. The sound of power in my country is goblin. The sound of goblin. They push you by force without saying any excuse. This man in black comes in a suit. This man in black comes in dark suit, looking seriously at you. This soldier's looking, pointing a gun. And when you are driving a car, you have to park still. And you're not driving even on the other side of the road. And motorbike will come to you and rescue. And motorbike will come to you and beat you. And you'll be half dead. The gremlin is passing, the sound of a goblin is passing. When you hear the sound of a gremlin passing, you have to stand motionlessly on the road, looking down on the floor, standing still on the pavement. When men in black are coming, they'll be looking seriously at you. When they come through over you, they push you down with their force, and you will never complain at anyone. And the soldiers will be pointing the gun seriously at you. And these blue lights passing by, you think it's an ambulance. Oh no, this sound of a goblin passing by. This is called a motorbike. No pee, no pee, no pee, no pee, no pee. Woo, woo, woo. No pee, no pee, no. Woo, woo. no pino.